I-COSATU ibuya kwisiteleka sikazwelonke ngesonto elidlule lapho ibikhala ngenkohlakalo lezinga eliphezulu ukudizwa kwabasebenzi ezweni. Manje ithi ibheke elikhulu kwinkulumo kamongameli kusasa lapho ezobethula khona uhlelo lwakhe lokutakuleza umnotho kuleli.
This is not time for indecisiveness. We cannot continue with the same macroeconomic framework that has seen the economy decline by 51% and bleeds 2.2 million jobs. We expect government to inject R1 trillion stimulus package.
Lo mfandawonye wezinyana uqhubeka uthi ufuna imininingwane yezinhlelo zokudala imisebenzi.
Force the private sector to end the investment strike. We need a solid program that will promote reindustrialization and localization. A funding plan for a comprehensive infrastructure program.
Kodwa umfandawonye wezinyana wesibili ngokukhulu kuleli i-SABC yona ithi ayilindele elikhulu kwinkulumo kamongameli.
We've already seen the government's so-called economic recovery plan is already circulating in the social media. It confirms our worst fears. Government is not going to be shifting to the left. Government is shifting further to the right. It is going to give us nice rhetoric about the unemployment, poverty and inequality, but it is going to affirm the same macroeconomic policy framework that have simply reproduced unemployment, poverty and inequality.
Ngenkathi ezomnotho zivalwe chaqa ezweni ngenhloso yokunqanda ukubhebhetheka kwegciwane i-COVID ngoApril, uMongameli Ramaphosa wamemezele uhlelo lokutakuleza umnotho olwazodla amabhiliyoni angamakhulu amahlanu amaRandi. Emva kwalokho wathi kahle kahle wayefuna imali ephindwe kabili kunalokho kodwa ngebhadi akayitholanga. Manje umbuzo ukuthi ngabe uzoyithola yini imali ayifunayo ukukhokhela uhlelo lwamanje. Mbongeni Mutsho, SABC eGoli.